Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is another super yummy, delicious recipe. If you want to see how I made this spicy, tasty, peppery kpomo, please stay tuned. For this recipe, we don't really need too much. It's a very simple recipe. For this recipe, I am going to be using dry thyme. I'm going to be using maggi, salt, sunflower oil, white and red onions, sweet red pepper and habanero pepper. So guys, this is our kpomo. Our kpomo has been cleaned very well. Okay, I am going to add ingredients in the kpomo and we'll start cooking the kpomo. Now I'm going to add chunky white onions. I'm going to add maggi, one maggi. I'm going to add thyme, and I'm going to add salt. Now I'm going to cover and we will start cooking our kpomo. We're going to cook our kpomo until it is ready. So now guys, we're going to chop our sweet pepper and we're going to chop our red onions. We will put it inside the food processor to process it. We do not want it to be blended. We want it to be rough, okay? So guys, our kpomo is ready. I am going to take it out of the stove now, okay? I have added sunflower oil in the pan. I'm going to allow it to heat up a bit. So after allowing it to heat up, we're going to add our sweet pepper, onions and habanero pepper. Allow it to fry for about 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, after allowing it to fry for 10 to 15 minutes, I am going to add my seasoning. To add 2 maggi, I'm going to add salt, Going to add a bit of dry thyme. Give that a few seconds to simmer with the seasonings. So guys, after a few seconds, I'm going to add my Kpomo cow skin. So guys, I'm going to cover and allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes in a low heat, and it will be ready, okay? So guys, after 2 to 3 minutes, our meal is ready guys. This pepper Kpomo does not take too much time to make. It's simple and easy, and you don't need too many ingredients for it. It's a very easy and simple meal. So guys, we are ready. It smells so lovely and wonderful guys. Like you can smell the freshness of the sweet pepper, and then the freshness of the habanero pepper is coming through and it's choking my throat. But that is what you want with your pepper Kpomo. You want it to be spicy and peppery. Anyway guys, it's looking beautifully good. I am done with this recipe. I am going to take it out of the stove now. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. We are done and it is looking absolutely delicious. Thank you for stopping by. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.